GMC key fobs often fail due to three main reasons: dead batteries, synchronization problems, or antenna receiver issues. First, check the battery. Most fobs use a CR232 coin cell battery. Replace it by carefully prying open the fob, swapping the battery, and snapping it shut. If a new battery doesn't solve the problem, try resyncing the fob to your vehicle. The resync process varies by model, but typically involves cycling the ignition and pressing the lock-unlock buttons in a specific sequence. Consult your owner's manual for the exact procedure. Finally, antenna receiver issues can occur due to interference or faulty wiring. If resyncing doesn't work, this might be the problem and require professional diagnosis using an OB2 scanner and potential repair or replacement of the body control module. If battery replacement and resync attempts fail, consider software glitches or antenna and receiver malfunctions, especially in newer GMC models. GMC's Service Information Portal may offer over-the-air updates for fob reprogramming in select vehicles. Be aware of potential interference from urban environments like Wi-Fi routers or cell towers. Look out for trends like digital keys via NFC or Bluetooth, which are becoming more common in GMC models, potentially reducing reliance on physical fobs. GMC's OnStar Advisors app can also troubleshoot some fob issues remotely. For older models, be mindful of cybersecurity risks and avoid cheap aftermarket fobs, which may lack proper security features. If problems persist, contact GMC customer service or visit a dealership for professional assistance.